Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can insert your image into like a shape, like pretty much mask it in Canva. So if you go to elements and if you go back and just type in frame, then you're just going to enter that, go to frames and see all and select the shape that you want. They have a lot of options, so just select whichever one you want. They also have like other text and stuff like that. I'm going to select this like shape. I'm just going to place it in my canvas. Go to uploads and I'm just going to select like an image here, like this one, and I'm just going to place it inside, and that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!